How we all going? See how you playing with this old bugger? Oh, the hinge pins are just like little cap things there. This had these in there. They were horrible looking things. So I did one before. I'm doing 3 now. But let's make them look like that. Pretty easy. Cut the end off. Cut the end off. Yep. And just grind him down till he looks nice. Give it a squeeze when there's the 3 of them that I'm going to do. And paint it up, whack them back in. Give you a look when it's closer to reinstallation time. This is what I use to make my job easier. I don't know if any of you guys have got them, but I reckon they're awesome. A little belt sander linisher, fits on your little grinder. And I've got 2 grinders. One's got my grinding wheels and cut off discs and shit, and the other one I've got this permanently mounted. This attachment called a multi-tool porta grind. Aussie made, it's a good thing. Just up the street in Bathurst. So pretty groovy little tools. You get the idea. So I get these other ones done up and get some paint on, pop them back in the holes. 10 minutes on the grinder. Get done. And just going to put a bit of etch on it. And the bloke actually wanted to charge me. I did ask a bloke once before, $10 a pin. I needed 4 pins, so that was $40. Well, guess I've saved $40 and it's taken me 10 minutes, so that's a bonus. Anyway, I'll get some primer and some paint and whatever on there, and all should look pretty good. Just got my lamps here to warm it up because it's a fairly chilly day. And when they're ready to go back in, I'll give you a squeeze. There we are. Doesn't look so bad. That's alright. Give them a bit to cool down, and I'll put them on the car. You probably wouldn't even notice the difference. There we go. Almost can't tell. That was a horrible looking bolt. Yeah, so there we go. Gotta be happy with that. Cheers. Have a good one.